Hello and welcome to our Stowe Talks How-To series. In this video we will look at how to get a prohibited steps order. Prohibited steps orders are legally binding court orders that prevent a parent or someone else with parental responsibility from making decisions or enacting decisions regarding their child without the court's permission. You can get a standard order where you give notice to the receiving parent about the impending order, but in most cases, prohibited steps orders are needed urgently to stop a parent or guardian making an imminent decision. An emergency prohibited steps order is required in these circumstances. Prohibited steps orders can be used to prevent parents from making decisions about schools, medical treatment, or even moving countries. Anyone with parental responsibility over the child can apply for a prohibited steps order. This is usually a parent, but it can be a guardian or a special guardian. Those who do not have legal parental responsibility for the child would need to apply to the court for permission to then apply for the prohibited steps order. Prohibited steps orders cost £255 at the time of this video, and you will need to submit Form C100 to your local family court to apply for the order, either online or by post. Form C100 asks for information about you, your child, the other parent or people with parental responsibility who the order will be prohibiting. It also asks about your concerns, including whether there has been domestic abuse, child abduction, or other safety or welfare concerns. You will need to attend a mediation, information and assessment meeting, MIAM, or evidence why this is not possible, for example because of safeguarding concerns. The application will then be issued and you will be contacted about a hearing, where the court will decide whether permission should be granted. This decision will depend on if it is in the best interests of the child and will refer to the welfare checklist, which includes the wishes and feelings of the child, as well as their emotional and physical needs and whether they are at risk of harm. The order, once granted, will last until a further order is made that suspends the original order. Otherwise, it will last until the child turns 16, or in some rare cases, it can last until the child turns 18. These orders are legally binding, and breaching them means the person is in contempt of court and could face jail, fines, or unpaid work. They can be overturned, but the applying parent would need to make that request, and it will not be granted if it is not in the best interests of the child. For further information on prohibited steps orders, please see our accompanying guide. If you are at immediate risk of domestic abuse, please call the police or the National Domestic Abuse Helpline on 0808 2000 247.